Hello everyone, draw a water drop design, have a little curve in the middle and a long inverted U and a capital U at the bottom, and how two parallel lines from it and one more line extending to the top, and how thicker by having curved lines from the side, and color of flower. Draw a capital letter U and on top of it closes with a curve, and have a rounded triangle on top of that and a capital letter C in an inverted manner, and also draw an inverted capital letter U in the bottom of it, and draw a rounded rectangle with plus sign in the middle. Do the same on the top section, and on the right side have a little rectangle and extend it. Then also have a few lines in the middle of the capital letter C and the U, and draw polka dots and have little circles at the bottom and capital letter U in an inverted manner, and draw a line in the middle, and on the left side have a little line and branches and have a little circle at the tips. Draw capital letter W and underneath it have a capital letter U, and extend two lines from the middle and one more line from the pointy edges at the sides, and close it with curvy lines and have another layer of curvy lines on top of each respectively. Then after that extend a parallel line from the bottom of the U and have a V and have it in a thicker manner, color it. Draw two V's and underneath it draw curved parallel lines and close it with a capital letter Y. Then also close the top gap with number 3 and have cloudy pattern on the top covering it. And after that draw concentric circles in the left side in the middle part and color a tree. Draw four parallel lines and have a continuous chain egg shape on the top of it, and have curved lines and make it closed. Then also have an egg-shaped leaf on either side of the line and make the pistil. Then on the other lines have a little circle and draw four heart ends by the side and close the gap with a cloudy line and draw the pointy heart end shaped leaves. And on the other lines have a bunch of cloudy shape in the group and close it with a capital U underneath it, and also have a cloudy leaves. Then in the last line of it have a capital letter V and make it thicker on either side and close it with cloudy line on top and have pointy leaves at the bottom and color it. Draw a zigzag line in a very close manner using red and yellow by the side, and have one more layer of yellow on top of red and have a darker shade of yellow on top of the yellow. Then also draw pointy triangles in the middle of them and extend branches, and draw a little orange circle on the right side and have the simple birds by the side of it, and draw the grass line. Draw a bench using capital letter T on either side and have a little rectangle on the left side and extend lines from the bottom of it and extend two more lines to the top, and have an elongated oval shape from the middle of it, and have a stapler pen in the middle of the bench and have sunflower like seeds and make a few of them on the other side. Then draw the face, then have a little vase on the right side of the bench and extend a few lines, then add a cute little leaves on top of it and color it. Using green, draw parallel vertical lines and have a water drop like design on either side, making lovely leaves. And on top of it, draw a large circle, and on top of that, draw three little circles. And after that, draw even more smaller circles for making the filaments. Then have a capital letter B using yellow color and have a layer of blue color and another layer of orange color. Then after that, make the body of the butterfly on the other side and make curvy lines for the antenna. Draw a capital letter U in a curvy manner and close it with a capital Y, and on top of it have an inverted capital V. In the bottom of the paper, draw a curvy line and extend a few more lines from the sides of it, making thicker, having a pointy leaf. Draw capital U and at the point of it, draw another U on the other side and draw one more U from the intersection and close it with a curved line. Then also have capital V on either side of the middle one. Then have a large circle from the bottom of it and close it with a capital V, making like a Pac-Man. Then draw a little circle at the middle, then extend four curved lines from it and have a parallel line connecting both, and have a little water drop like shape on the left side, making a lovely lotus bud. Draw a big plus sign and in the middle of it draw a little capital X and extend lines from the bigger one connecting the X. Do the same for all the sides, and from the other side of the point extend it to the bigger line forming the shape. Then after that have a parallel line at the bottom making a lovely windmill. Thank you everyone for watching this video.